Did you know that crashes related to distracted driving have nearly doubled in Delaware in recent years? They account for nearly 24% of all crashes and many deaths. I'm Lieutenant Anthony Mendez. The reason I decided to get into the area of occupant protection and distracted driving was for about 15 years, I was a crash investigator with our fatal collision team. In that unit, I had many opportunities to see firsthand the extent of injuries and deaths related to distracted driving, but I also needed to take it upon myself to go out and try to educate the public, enforce Delaware's distracted driving laws and our seatbelt laws. The act of driving is divided attention. We have to be able to maintain our travel lane while we're maintaining the speed limit, while we're using our turn signal. When you add a conversation that could allow you to miss an obstacle, a child running out from a yard. Today, you have your radio, which is your apps for your phone. Those types of things are tremendously involved in distracted driving and can lead to a crash. If you're involved in a crash, you want to remain behind the steering wheel, seated in the seat. You're in a proper position. Whereas if you're not wearing your seatbelt, then these airbags, they're not going to work because you're not properly seated behind the steering wheel. If I had to offer some advice to Delawareans, I would simply say that life is extremely fragile. There are certain decisions that you're going to make that are fully within your control. Wearing a seatbelt and not being on the phone. Let's not lose another life to distracted driving.